character right here. All right. We took out these equal highs. This is the 4-hour chart. This will even look good on the daily chart. Look at it. So I can see this dropping at least down here to 99.8. At least. All right, but let's go back to the 4-hour. All right. So we got, notice our price was coming up. We got our higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Consolidation, right? Change of character right here. And look what happened. Price went up, whoop, took out these equal highs. What did I say resides above equal highs? Let's see if y'all can remember. What lives above equal highs? Equal highs, equal lows, highs and lows, huh? Yes, you are right. Amanda said liquidity, y'all. She's correct. Liquidity. And what happened? Liquidity was taken out right here. Let me tell y'all something. Let me give y'all a secret. All this stuff happening in the market right now, all this news with the interest rates and the dollar and all that, all this stuff is planned, it's pre-planned. Y'all think it's a coincidence that the patterns that we look for in the market just happen to line up with all this news? All this stuff is planned out already. It's planned. It's planned out. Look how this happened. These patterns just don't happen by coincidence. They don't. All this stuff is planned. News is the catalyst. They use the news to make their move. That's all it is. Huh? I know. I'm telling you, it's not a coincidence. It's not a coincidence. Not at all. All this stuff is pre-planned. All of it. If you can sometimes, I'm telling you, it's gonna get to a point where y'all look at y'all charts, especially the dollar. Y'all can look at y'all chart. And the DXY is the dollar index. That's the value of the dollar. It knows whether you're going up or down. The value of the dollar is about to go down. You can look at your chart, if you can do your good analysis, and see what's going to happen. I'm telling you. That's why sometimes you might hear me say, oh, we got some news about to come out on this. I don't know when, but I know it's about to come out. Y'all might hear me say that. And then maybe a few days later or so, something happened and the market just go crazy. I'm telling you, man. All this stuff is planned out. All this stuff is planned out. There are no coincidences in the market. I don't believe in coincidences, period. Everything happens for a reason. This right here is all planned out. High interest rates, everything we're going through right now, it's all planned out. War, everything. All of it. All of it. But I'm not going to get into that because I can get deeper, but I'm not going to do it right now. Because everybody's not ready for that conversation. All right. But yeah, and look what's happening, all right? See, we tapped into our zone right here. Now, it might go a little deeper. Remember I said I like 50%. All right, it might not go 50%, but it's going to go. All right, see right up in here? See if I got my zone? See how we tapped in? And what is this pattern? See this pattern right here? This would be a perfect evening star pattern if this start coming down. Because we got the long candle. We got this one in the middle. All we need is for this to come down. That'll be our evening star pattern. However, it has not yet formed. But let's take a look at the part of the candle that tapped into our zone. All right, right up in, let me mark it right quick. Boy, y'all getting me hyped up now. I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all know when I be teaching. Amanda, you know when I be training, and then you be sweating buckshots, and I start being like, ooh, yeah. I'm starting to feel like that right now. Let's look at this candle. Let's look at this wick. 1 hour. 30 minutes. See, we got our wick right here. Tapped into it, starting to come down right here. 15 minutes. See, right here we have a bearish engulfing pattern, right? Tapped into the wick. Came up, boom, drop. 5 minute, up, up, up. What do we have? Remember that wick we circled? Isn't this a bearish engulfing? Isn't this another zone? Came up, tap our zone right here, starting to come down. Come on, man. Come on now. Y'all with me? Tell me y'all with me. This is coming down. Look, look. On a smaller time frame. Change of character here. Change of character here.
When you say tap into a zone.
Right here. That wick. This was the wick we circled. All right. But look, this wick that we circled, the supply zone. That's what we look for. A supply zone tapped into our zone, right? Remember, this is our zone. We got our fast, hard move away from it. All right. Character change right here. Not only did character change right here, check this out. Let me show you something. Well, I'm about to blow y'all mind. This is going down. This is going to drop. We got equal lows. What lies below equal lows? No. Wait. This is change of character. I'm sorry. I'm getting ahead of myself. All right, change of character. We got change of character here, right? Watch this. Let's put our magical Fibonacci's on. Let's see. Does it line up with our green zone? Bam, perfect, perfect. Y'all see that? Come on, man. Come on, man. All right, so line up with our green zone. It's coming down already. Guess what else? Guess what else we got? Equal lows. Equal lows. What lies below equal lows? You just said it. Liquidity. Correctamundo. Correctamundo. This coming down. This is coming down. All right. On the 5 minute, yeah, probably here. Down here on 5 minute. But let's look at it, the bigger picture. Let's look at the 4 hour. Why is it gonna come down at on the 4 hour? Because that little small picture we looked at, that's small. That's small potatoes. Oh, yeah. We want big potatoes. We trying to make big money. All right, big bucks, no whammies. That's what we want. Big bucks, no whammies.
So you think it's gonna come all the way down?
I think it's gonna come down at least to 102.
Right here.
That wick area, somewhere around here. 102, at least 102 point. Let's say 102 point. I'm gonna play it safe. 102.5. But actually, it could come down lower than that. It could come down lower than that. All right. The only thing is, though, what I want to see is this, where it's at right now, not break that high, not break this high. I don't want it to break that high. If it don't break that high, we cooking. I don't think that it will, but that's why we got to be just a little more patient. And actually, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Actually, I don't trade the DXY, but if I did, I would probably take this sell trade.
Yeah,
because we got enough confirmations already. Like, what else you need? And we can't be scared to get in trades. When your confirmation, you get 2 to 3 confirmations like that, man, take the trade. Pull that trigger. If you lose, you lose. Oh well. You know what I'm saying? If you lose it, you lose it. That's why we practice good risk management. Good risk management. That's why we don't bet the farm. You bet small pieces. All right. And then as it's going down, it'll give you other opportunities for entry along the way. All right. Or you can scale up your position. For me, I put all my positions. I put my whole position on one entry, and I just let it ride. And I move my stop into profit. All right. As I make new lower highs, all right. Now I move my stop loss right above the next lower high. Make another one, move it right above that one. All right. Because those highs are protected. Those highs are protected to a certain point. as long as it's coming down, as long as market structure is making lower highs and lower lows, it's protected. Your highs are going to be protected. All right. But yeah, that's why I said pairs that in USD, they're going to start going up. Euro USD, they're going to start going up. When the dollar, think about it like this: when the DXY goes down, pairs that in USD goes up. And the DX, that's why it's important to know what direction the DXY is going in. All right, and that's why I have it on here. Even though I don't trade it, it's important to know. Look at this, DXY. Huh?
You look at this.
Yeah, I look at the DXY. I don't trade it because look, DXY this is the daily chart going up, right? DXY going up. Let's look at Euro USD coming down. See that? Let's look at gold. I don't look at gold in that perspective. But look, NZD USD, it was coming down. Whereas AUD USD. AUD USD it look a little funky. GBP USD, it was coming down as well. All right. And guess what? If the pairs that end with USD was coming down, well, I guess the pairs that begin with USD was going up, right? Let's see. USD CAD, consolidate, USD Chef. USD Chef is on the move up. USD JPY on the move up. See that? So remember that. The DXY, especially the DXY, this correlation is especially good with Euro USD and GBP USD.
I never heard you say this. Never heard you say anything about watching.
I mean, some things. It's a lot that I'm going to be telling y'all. Some things that I may have just haven't told y'all yet because I haven't thought about. You know, remember I've been in this game like 3.5 years now. A lot of things I learned in the beginning was a bunch of BS. So a lot I don't tell y'all because I don't want to fill y'all head up with stuff that's gonna hurt y'all, especially the bullshit stuff that especially the BS stuff that I learned when I first started trading. You know, I had to pretty much reprogram myself. Look at the charts differently. All right, but yeah. The DXY, I think the dollar will start coming down. I might get into a trade on the DXY just to see. Let me get it on demo, just to see what happens. Now, y'all know we can trade stocks on our forex account, right?
Yeah. I remember you saying it.
Huh?
I remember you saying it.
Yeah, I heard they pay pretty good too. We have a member. She haven't been here in the group in a while. She's in the group, but she hasn't been active in a while. But she got all kind of businesses that she got. Her name is Laquan Stallwood. She was a college basketball player. I think she might have played in the WNBA for a while. But when it comes to the stocks, she's awesome. Like awesome. She's awesome with it. But yeah, she said she's gonna be back. She was in my she had messaged me on Facebook one day. She said she was gonna be back. She real busy. She live in Houston. She runs like a basketball league, like all kinds of stuff she's doing. So, but yeah. All right. So now, how did I find these trades? Because I know that's what y'all want to know.